Hey y'all, I got this rotisserie chicken from Walmart, and I decided I just want to hook it up a little bit. So I'm gonna cut this chicken.
One I bet you with the jabata. Me, I know get time, I did that bada. That cover my face, calling me that bada. Biggie man, we don't be where I bada. Tell me, what's it come? You are gone, all depend. The cash, ride the foot, I know feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are gone, all depend. Make you know say anything when you do, them must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, I they try to get to my way. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it go? You are go, all depend. And packaging in a one night for shows. I'm juggling flow like the ocean. My court, I'm paddling. Shara Shinabella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trace. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. But I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a I be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come? You are come, all depend.
Okay, let's transfer this over. I'm gonna put the breast down. Okay, so then here I have a can of cream of mushroom and a can of cream of chicken. I'm gonna add some water to that. I think I'm gonna add a little seasonings to it too. Alright, so I'm gonna add some poultry seasoning. Onion powder. Garlic powder. A little chicken bouillon. I'm going to add some seasoning salt. Okay. So then I'm gonna mix all this here up. gonna dump that over the chicken. Now I'm gonna cover this up and basically just let this heat all the way through. And I'm finna make some, probably some, yeah, I made some mashed potatoes. I made some mashed potatoes to go with this. And that's gonna be dinner. So I'll show y'all when it's finished. Alright, I got some green beans going. I'm gonna do our mashed potatoes. And I got some dinner rolls I'm about to put in the oven. Alright, so I'm about to do these mashed potatoes. Hopefully I ain't got too much water. Perfect. I bought that thing just right. One thing I'm gonna add to this is some butter. And it's good to go. Perfect. Now we're just waiting on the chicken and the dinner rolls, and we're gonna be ready to eat.
Wow.
You know, I always get a lot of water. Probably get ready to take the chicken out the oven, yeah. Hey, the thing is right here.
Wrong with her? Wow. You was just warming it up.
I made a gravy on it. Go on top of the mashed potatoes. Alright, y'all. So okay. Alright, so that's the chicken. I got my green beans back here. My mashed potatoes. And dinner is ready. Huh? It look good.
This one I bet you baby ja ba da. Me I no get time da ba da. Dada cover my face, calling me la ba da. Biggie man,
Take some to work.
yeah ba da.
Go get your bowl, dude.
What's it go?
I think it's in the dishwasher.
Say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when you do, I did that to do on my way. Plenty survive with this. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want the money. Tell me, what's it go? You want go? All the Bentley. And packaging in a one night for shows and revenue. Shout out Shinabella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trace. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Because I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shall not be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it go? You are go. All depends.
Alright, so that is dinner, y'all. Then I got the dinner rolls over here. I made some honey, butter, cinnamon rolls. Looks good. It looks good. It looks good. It looks good. It looks good. That's dinner. There go the cinnamon rolls. Alrighty, y'all, so that is it for this video. That's how you put together a real quick meal when you don't feel like cooking something filling, delicious, and like a home-cooked meal, baby, with a store-bought rotisserie chicken. Until the next one, this your girl Tiana. Y'all be blessed, and I am out. Don't forget to ring that doorbell. That means hit the thumbs up, the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace, y'all.